bump it.
A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Monica by my side. A little bit of Rita, a little bit of Tina, what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little